Shopify Capital is a business funding program designed specifically for Shopify merchants seeking fast, easy access to growth capital. Unlike traditional loans, Shopify Capital offers an alternative that eliminates credit checks and extensive paperwork. It's built to empower store owners with flexible funding to scale their business smoothly, without the typical financial hurdles associated with banks or lenders. This funding solution works directly within your Shopify admin dashboard, where Shopify assesses your business data, including sales history and store performance, to offer pre-approved funding amounts. You don't have to go through the complex approval process that banks require. Instead, Shopify uses its proprietary underwriting model to quickly evaluate your eligibility and offer tailored funding options. Receiving funds through Shopify Capital is fast and straightforward. Once approved, merchants can receive funds within as little as 2 business days. This immediate injection of capital enables you to quickly capitalize on inventory purchases, marketing campaigns, or major sales events without delay, ultimately accelerating your store's growth potential. Shopify Capital works by offering you a cash advance or loan based on your business's sales performance on Shopify's platform. When Shopify identifies that your store qualifies, you'll receive an offer directly in your admin panel, showing your funding amount and repayment terms. Acceptance is simple and happens online without any need for physical paperwork. The repayment method is unique compared to traditional loans. Shopify collects a fixed percentage of your daily sales until the advance is fully repaid. This approach means you never pay more than you can afford on any given day, allowing repayments to scale with your revenue, reducing stress during slow sales periods. It effectively aligns your loan repayments with your cash flow. There are no hidden fees, interest compounding, or late penalties. Your repayments are automated and transparent. This structure provides unsurpassed flexibility, letting you focus on growing your business without worrying about fixed monthly payments or falling behind on your loan obligations. One of the most significant advantages of Shopify Capital is that it does not require a credit check. Traditional business loans often rely on your credit score and exhaustive financial documents, which many small businesses or startups may lack or perform poorly on. Shopify Capital removes this barrier, opening funding opportunities for more merchants. Another benefit is the speed of access to funds. Banks and lenders can take weeks or months to process business loans. Shopify Capital, on the other hand, frequently deposits funds within 2 days of approval, allowing merchants to address urgent capital needs such as bulk inventory orders or ad campaigns immediately. Additionally, Shopify Capital does not require giving up any ownership or equity in your business, unlike venture capital or angel investments. This means you retain full control over your business operations and future decisions while still accessing the funding you need to grow rapidly. To be eligible for Shopify Capital, you need a Shopify store with a sales history that Shopify's underwriting system can evaluate. This system uses machine learning algorithms to analyze factors like sales trends, customer engagement, and payment dispute history to determine your creditworthiness and funding amount. Applying for Shopify Capital is efficient and user-friendly. Once you log into your Shopify admin dashboard, you'll see an invitation to apply if you qualify. The process involves filling out a simple online form without the need to submit traditional financial statements or business plans, differentiating it from typical loan applications. If your application is approved, funds are deposited directly into your linked business bank account, usually within 2 business days. You can then instantly use the capital to invest in areas that will drive growth, such as new product stock or marketing initiatives. Many merchants strategically use Shopify Capital to purchase inventory in bulk, which reduces per unit costs and improves profit margins. Having adequate stock also prepares your business for spikes in demand, such as holiday seasons or new product launches, ensuring you don't miss sales due to stockouts. Shopify Capital can also fund marketing campaigns that drive traffic and sales. Whether you want to expand your ad reach on platforms like Facebook or Google or invest in influencer partnerships, having the right capital available often makes the difference between slow growth and rapid scaling. Moreover, Shopify Capital can cover operational expenses, easing cash flow pressures. This flexibility means you can maintain marketing and sales momentum even when day-to-day costs push your cash reserves thin, helping your business remain competitive year-round. Numerous Shopify merchants have used Shopify Capital to transform their businesses from small startups to thriving companies. For example, retailers have reported significant sales increases after using Shopify Capital to expand inventory and launch promotional campaigns, sometimes boosting revenue by 40 to 50%. One case is a business that used the capital influx to purchase discounted inventory in volume, greatly lowering costs and increasing margins. Another used funds to hire staff and expand marketing efforts, resulting in doubling their revenue within months. These stories demonstrate how well-placed capital can turn growth opportunities into tangible results. Shopify's internal data also supports the effectiveness of Shopify Capital. On average, merchants who use the program see a 36% larger increase in sales within 6 months compared to stores that did not use the funding, underscoring its impact on accelerating business growth. Repayment for Shopify Capital is based on a fixed percentage of your daily sales, automatically withdrawn until the advance is paid off. This means payment amounts vary each day, directly linked to how much revenue your store generates that day. This repayment model means that during slow sales days, your payments will be lower, helping to prevent cash flow strain. Conversely, when your sales are strong, repayments increase, helping you clear the advance quicker without causing financial hardship. Unlike traditional loans with monthly installment payments, Shopify Capital offers this dynamic repayment plan without late fees or penalties, providing peace of mind and alignment with your business cash flow. While Shopify Capital offers many advantages, it's important to consider the cost structure. The repayment rate can be higher compared to some traditional loans, reflecting the convenience and flexibility you receive in return. This factor means you should carefully assess whether the cost fits your business model. Because repayments are a percentage of sales, businesses with highly variable or seasonal revenues should plan carefully. While flexibility can help during slow periods, the overall repayment will still be tied to your sales volume. So strategic use of funds is essential to ensure growth covers repayment costs. Lastly, Shopify Capital is best used as a growth tool, not long-term financing. If your business is facing prolonged financial challenges, alternative solutions or professional advice might be more appropriate. To get the most from Shopify Capital, use the funds for investments that generate measurable returns, such as inventory that sells quickly or marketing that brings in new customers. Avoid using the funds for non-productive expenses that don't contribute to revenue growth. Track your sales closely and plan repayment timelines based on realistic forecasts. Use the flexibility of a repayment schedule to manage cash flow during slow periods without fear of penalties. This financial modulation can keep your operations stable while you scale. Also, consider reinvesting profits generated from Shopify Capital investments to build a self-sustaining growth cycle. This approach can help reduce dependence on external funding over time as your business scales and generates steady cash flow. If you're ready to unlock rapid growth without the hurdles of traditional loans, Shopify Capital offers a compelling funding alternative tailored to Shopify merchants. Start by checking your Shopify admin dashboard for funding offers or applying if you don't see one yet. Make sure your store has a good sales record and engages actively with the Shopify platform to increase eligibility chances. Keep your business data up to date and respond promptly to any request from Shopify to smooth the application process. Once you get funding, plan strategically to use your capital where it has the most growth impact and leverage the flexible repayment system to protect your cash flow. With Shopify Capital, you can propel your e-commerce store to new heights without risking personal credit or enduring lengthy bank loan processes.